Ladies and gentlemen, welcome and a very good evening to everyone. Thank you for being here. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the press conference of Logitech and designer Arpita Mehta's showcase at the Fashion Design Council of India and Lakme Fashion Week's joint digital edition. We all just witnessed a grand fashion and technological extravaganza by Arpita in partnership with Logitech. The collection, called Reflections, has been curated for people to match their contemporary professional lifestyle, and it also explored the unique style elements within women. We have joining us this evening Mr. Srinivas Rao, country head Logitech India, and the star designer Arpita Mehta herself. I'd like to first congratulate both of you on this unique and fantastic collaboration and a showcase that I think certainly left everyone wanting more. So congratulations, Arpita. Congratulations, Mr. Rao. Um, I think, we'd first want to speak to Mr. Srinivas Rao. Mr. Rao, this is the first time Logitech is associating with a lifestyle IP. What made you consider FDCI and LFW as a platform? And how did the whole collaboration with Arpita come along?
Well, you know what, basically, Logitech, basically design is at the center of everything we create. And the design experiences, what we create, connect the people with the digital world. And Arpita's craft, which is stylish, trendy, resonates very, very strongly with Logitech there. And the kind of products what we create are minimalistic, modern, versatile, youthful, and all these really resonate with the contemporary lifestyle of the millennials. And we are very proud to get associated with Arpita actually, which and no better person, no better designer than Arpita to associate with for Logitech here in this case.
Thank you.
And you know what? One more thing, actually, I want to, Logitech has been, Fast Company has named Logitech as one of the top 10 companies in the world in design. And that's innovation in design is what we really focus on. And I think no better person than Arpita to get actually associated there.
I think it's safe to say this collaboration is the best of two worlds coming together, and it couldn't have been better, right? Arpita, you've shared a long relationship with both FDCI and Lakme Fashion Week. This time around, what was it like showcasing for the both platforms and in collaboration? Bringing this whole collaboration with Logitech for life.
So this is my first ever digital show at a fashion week. So I mean that was the biggest thrilling point for me because it's a completely new experience. So obviously I'm extremely thankful to Lakme and FDCI for having me a part of this fashion week. And talking about my association with Logitech, I think firstly, I would just like to tell Mr. Srinivas and everybody else that the M350, the Pebble, as well as the keypad, which is the K380, it was so amazing to work with. We got them for our shoot and it was lightweight. It was easy to handle. I mean, it is something that I would want to keep for myself. And it's truly the correct kind of technology that people of today should be using. I mean, the whole process, because be it in fashion or any other industry, all of us have taken the digital route. I mean, of course, we do have a physical presence, but in today's day and age, it's all about going digital. So this just makes it so easy because you could just work from anywhere. You could have those products, use them from anywhere. Being a creative person, being a designer, I could be working on the beach, or I could be working at home, or I could be anywhere. And I could have creative ideas and I could instantly convert it into reality. So I just feel this whole collaboration of fashion and technology was amazing. I think it is the future of fashion and the future for everyone. So it was really fun and it was really exciting to do this.
Thank you, Arpita. I'm sure everybody who has also tuned in, there are a lot of questions about, there are going to be a lot of questions about, the design inspiration, how it, a little bit more detail into how this collection came to life from, your
Yeah.
creating your mood board to actually being at the shoot. So I'm going to
Yeah.
open the floor for questions, and
Sure.
I request all the attendees here to send in their questions in the Q&A section. I think we have some very eager attendees and some questions here already. The first one being actually for Mr. Rao. Mr. Rao, tell us about the sleeves that were created with Arpita's designs.
Yeah, so basically when we started this whole idea of creation, what we thought is the way Arpita's designs are stylish, trendy, youthful, confident, and so therefore what we thought is the way we can present these sleeves to our consumers would be the best way to showcase our the craft of Arpita and our products of M350 and K380. So that's how we went ahead and started doing this, and that's the idea which started it, and it culminated into a wonderful way.
The next one being for Arpita. Arpita, is there any reflection? There's a wordplay happening here. A reflection
Yes.
of the pandemic in your creations.
I feel it is a very positive reflection of the things that we are looking forward to, the mood that we are looking forward to. That is why what you see in the video is a very whimsical, easy line. It's for that person who is craving a vacation, like you just want to go out there, you want to work, you have to work. So you have your things along with you, but you're yet mentally, you want to go on a holiday. So that is what the reflection of the mood is. It's the current mood.
Okay. Next one being, okay, another one for Arpita. Could you walk us through the shoot? It was
Yeah.
at an outdoor location on a beach. What was
Yes.
that experience like, and how did that come about with Logitech again?
To be honest, I always enjoy doing outdoor shoots over indoor shoots. And while we were talking about a summer collection, I feel it was very important that you mentally transport the people viewing it to a summer feel, into a holiday feel. And for that purpose, of course, we decided to shoot it on the beach, and we tried to get the shots from sunrise until sunset, because that is also something that we've incorporated in the prints that we have created. Starting, there are 4 colorways that we've done. We've done sand, we've done seashore, we've done poppy mango, and a flaming red. So basically, they are sunrise and a sunset color pattern. And along with that, we created prints that, of course, were used as well on the sleeves of the keypad for the sleeves for the keypad and the mouse. And what you see is an abstract print as well as a floral print. So even talking about the prints that we've created, we've kind of tried to resonate it with different personalities that we kind of resonate with in today's contemporary lifestyle. So talking about these prints, we created an abstract print which resonates with a bold personality. Then we created a floral print that resonates with a versatile personality. Then we created a leaf print that resonates with like a boho chic personality. And while a booty print resonates with an understated. So these were all the common personality types that both Logitech and me as a designer kind of believe in. And I feel that was very important to translate into what we visually put out there.
Right, thank you. Another one for Mr. Rao. Mr. Rao, globally, Logitech has collaborated with fashion weeks. How do you see the brand interfacing within the lifestyle space in the long run?
So we the way we look forward is basically, obviously, lifestyle is one. What has happened actually is, people are moving from essential to experiences, and people are moving looking forward for having better experiences. And what we are doing is basically we are enabling creating your own spaces. like what Arpita just said, whether it's your beachside workspace or whether it's your kitchen table, or for that matter, your favorite cafe or your library space. So basically what we are enabling is creation of your own spaces. And since what we are looking is giving the experiences to the consumers, and that's how we are looking forward for creating more of lifestyle experiences to the consumers there.
Okay, I think the next question, I'm going to take two more questions. I think this is directed to the both of you. Can we expect keyboards and mouses designed by Arpita anytime soon from Logitech?
I think that depends on Mr. Srinivas here more than me.
Well, that again will depend upon depending upon how it moves forward. We would have to really look for.
No, I think for that, then it would be important for everyone to know that this new range that has been also launched, where can one look for them and find them?
Well, we are present across all the retail spaces, whether it is our modern trade, whether it's our online stores, whether it's our other physical stores. We are present across most of the places, and they are available across the retail points.
Thank you. And I think just like Arpita said, right, it is a range that that she wants to get her hands on. And I'm pretty sure everybody who has signed in would want exactly that. So thank you so much for bringing this to us, for bringing us the best of both worlds, fashion and technology. I think that's what every consumer is looking for these days. And you guys have made it happen. So thank you so much. With that, we come to an end. I think for everybody joining in, thank you so much for being with us here this evening. Lakme Fashion Week as well as FTCI, we have a lot more in store for you today. Do tune in to FTCI and LFW's social media handles or the website to catch all action live. And thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much. It was really a pleasure to have us here there. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.